Okay, YouTube. After a few, let's say probably about a year or so, finally got this grill right. Had to go back and redo everything back over. It was sitting on a trailer. But after a few viewers and told me that it was too heavy in the back with the axles, not over the weight, decided to go back and do everything back over. So here it is. Took everything off of the trailer and just put it on. Made my own axle and put it right over the weight. Put the smoke box right behind the axle. I gotta say it pulls a lot better. I got it about 65 on the interstate with it, and it did quite well. I ain't got no complaints with it now. So put my deep fryer on the top and got my propane bottle here cover with the chain on it. So I got a few more little things I want to do. I want to add some metal somewhere to cover this up here. I want to cover this open spot up there with like a plate of metal maybe on the side. Maybe you guys can give me some ideas, or maybe let me know, will I be putting too much weight back on it if I fill this back in under the bottom with metal? Maybe something like maybe 8 gauge metal or something. Not nothing too heavy, but maybe you guys can help me out. But yeah, this is it. Like I said, we remade the frame and put it on an axle. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about it. Thank you. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.